Today, I'm going to show you how to change your own oil on your lawnmower and save yourself some money. What's going on, everybody? I'm Dan the Lawn Man. Welcome to today's video. Today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change your own oil in your lawnmower. And if you guys haven't met my new friend yet, O, come and introduce yourself. This is O, guys. He's a cybernetic robot that came from outer space. He landed in my front yard, and ever since then, we've just been mowing lawns together. So the very first thing that you always want to do is find your dipstick. Your dipstick is going to be exactly where your oil drains, as well as you put in oil. These type of motors, they don't have an oil plug that you could just drain out the oil and top off the oil on the other side. So wherever your dipstick is, that's where you're gonna put the new oil and also drain out the oil. Let's go grab some essential items that you need to do your oil change. Well, we don't need ducks. So once you got your items, you go ahead and you can warm up your lawnmower. You warm up the oil, that's gonna help you get some more drainage out a lot quicker, a lot easier. So now that we have our oil warmed up, it's time to drain the oil. I warmed up my lawnmower for about 4 to 5 minutes, so that should be plenty of time for the oil to be warm and to drain out pretty easily. Now there's two methods that you could do this with. First method on how I used to do my oil changes is using some kind of suction device. This siphon, this hose goes right into the add oil plug. The rubber goes all the way in, and then you just pull the back like so. In, pull, and the siphon sucks up some of the oil. And you grab this oil, you go to your drain pan and dip it. So that's the first method. The second method is the tipping method. Tip the lawnmower over and let oil drain out. So once you're done with that, oh, really? Are you draining your liquids? Get out of here. So once you're done with that, tip the mower back over. Make sure you check out your manual to see what type of oil your lawnmower needs. In my case, it requires SAE 30. And my lawnmower requires 20 ounces to fill up to the minimum level. I have exactly 21 in here, so I'm pretty much gonna be dumping this whole bottle inside my lawnmower. Make sure you check out your manual to see what type of oil your lawnmower requires and how much oil it needs. Next, check your dipstick level. Make sure you're at the correct line. We need to be right here in between this line and this line to be good. Let's see where we're at. I don't know if you can tell, but we're just right about this line, just a little bit past it, but not too much. but we're right there. So we're good. We need to dispose of the oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the oil, the old oil, back into the oil can that I put the new oil in the lawnmower. And I'm gonna go return it to your local AutoZone, your local Advanced Auto Parts. They usually recycle oil. They'll take it for free, no charge to the customer, and that way we could recycle. Last step in this process, turn on the lawnmower, let it cycle the new oil for about 2 minutes, and you can go out and enjoy the mow. And that's it. You did your own lawnmower oil change. Congratulations, you learned something new today. Every day we learn something new. Guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit that like, subscribe, and bell notification for future videos and future content. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.